little intro. While ago, probably a year ago, maybe more, I came up with this little board for to hook a little buddy talker up to a device that only had I2C. So this is a Arduino Nano, and this is a little buddy talker, and you power the Nano over USB. This is hooked up to the SPI pins, and the Nano is running I2C slave code so that you can just talk to it over I2C. That's pretty much it. So here's what we're going to do with it with the Troll. Okay, this is just a fun little project. This is the Troll. This is a little buddy talker. This is an Arduino Nano. The little buddy talker is connected to the Nano the standard way you would over SPI. The Nano is connected to the Troll with over I2C, and the little buddy talker is fed into the Troll's audio jack, and the speaker is connected. So I hit the button, the Troll sends a message over I2C to the Nano. The Nano tells the little buddy talker to do stuff, and then the Troll makes noise. Here we go, real quickly.
Red alert. Red alert.
So obviously I set it up for red alert.
Red alert.
I will share the code. This is just a real fun little project. It's the only way I could figure out how to get a little buddy talker hooked up to the Troll. And
red alert.
There you go. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.